Hey, what's up guys? In this video I just want to go over my motorcycle and scooter vlog setup. That's with a video and audio recording. So just jumping right into it, the main thing I have is I have an Insta360 OneX2 camera. And this records all angles. It's a great camera. And then you, in the post edit, that's where you can choose which angles you want to look at. And I have that mounted just on this necklace. And this necklace I got on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description below. But this is a great view. You put it right here, and then you get the view of like your arms and everything in front of you. And then as far as the audio, what I have is I have a Tascam DR-05x. This is a great audio recorder. It has so many settings, so you can block out wind noise, which is super important on a motorcycle. And what I have is I tuck it right in this first sleeve of this fanny pack, and I have my also I have my phone in there as well. But what I have from here is I have two cables. I have one which is the mic in cable, and I also have headphones so I can hear my audio as I'm recording it, and I can adjust accordingly. And what I do is I run those underneath my t-shirt, and then I pop those right through the collar. If you don't do that, then they're going to wind up being in front of the camera when you're riding, and you don't want to have all these cables flying everywhere. Alright, so these noise cancelling earbuds, they can just go right in your head, into the helmet, and then the line in microphone just travels up through the collar. What I have is I have it tucked right into my cheek pad. I find this is the best spot possible, especially if you have a chin curtain here, which I don't on this HJC helmet, and it still sounds pretty good. But what I have is I have it tucked right in the cheek pad. You don't need to use any Velcro, any tape, anything like that. Right in here, you can just unsnap that one snap, and the pressure will keep it in place. And tuck it right in here. I'll put a photo so you can see it even more clearly. But it just tucks right in there. You can even push it in a little more into the cheek pad if you want to block out some of that wind noise even better. But yeah, a chin curtain would really help. And I was also thinking of putting one of those microphone dead cats just like kind of in front of it to even hide it from wind even more. But that's it. This setup, it works great. The audio is crystal clear, wind noise isn't bad at all, and then the camera setup's super easy in the front here. Now obviously right now I have the sleeve on because I'm recording with the actual Insta360 right now, but I'll put a photo of what it looks like so you can see it in all its glory. But yeah, this is all you need. It's super simple and it's clean. But yeah, let me know. I'll put a description in, below of what my Tascam audio recording settings are as well. I can probably just put a photo of it too so you can see that. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you guys enjoyed this, please give me a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Catch you later. Bye.